how to contact Royal Bank of Canada support. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can contact Royal Bank of Canada support. So what do you do first? The first thing to do is to open up your web browser, and then once you've opened up your web browser, in the search box, just type out Royal Bank of Canada support. Okay, support. All right, and then click on the enter option. So once you click on the enter option, you directed to the page where you would see the number whereby you can call to visit to speak with the customer service. So if you don't want to call, you can just decide to um click on customer service here, all right, where you can chat with the customer support, or you can just scroll down until you see further options on how you can handle your um and now you can contact Royal Bank. All right, so you can just click on customer service, and then you wait for it to load. So once that's loaded, it will take you to the customer service page. On this page, you can see the option have a question. It can help you find the answer you are looking for. All right, and then in the box displayed, you can just ask your question and then click on find an answer. And then if you are not satisfied with the answer, you can just decide to call them directly here or send them a secure message. All right, now to do this, you have to click on the online banking, and then you'll be directed to the online banking page. On this page, you'll be asked to sign in using your password and your username, and then sign in. So once you sign in, you can then further ask your questions, and you get your responses as fast as possible. So this is how you can contact customer support of the Royal Bank of Canada. I hope this tutorial is helpful. Thanks for watching.